Hi, I'm Somisha and I'm from a non-technical background. So for me, it was very important to learn the basics and to get a good kickstart for my journey. So when I was searching for the classes, I came across Techno, and when I met the sir personally, he was very nice, and he explained me about the entire process. The journey was very pleasantful for me. His way of explanation was very easier, so it became easier for me to understand the different concepts. I also got an overview of the different languages. Vijay sir never differentiated a technical and a non-technical person, so it was very comfortable environment for me to ask the different questions to him. And he always patiently and calmly listened to me. So I would definitely like to recommend HN Techno and Vijay sir for coding.